Alright guys, so we got the caps here, tied out. Be careful there. Be careful. Okay guys.
You gotta take these pallets back, dude?
Yeah.
No way. 15 bucks.
32 by 32, we got 7 column caps. We're gonna try to install that. I'll put that on quick. And as you can see, the guy's got the columns up. We actually got the pavers all done, or steps all done and complete. So looking nice, guys. So let's see this.
Next time get like 200 pounds.
That's not the heavy one. The other one's heavier. There's other ones.
Let's go dropping on the other one. Watch out your feet.
Yeah. Alright guys, pretty good. A little dusty, but oh yeah, dude, that matches the trim. Yeah, a little dusty. But, oh yeah, yeah.
Need a light.
No, need a light on there. Nice. Some of that other one on this one. Keep looking at it, it's gonna bend. Man, that is looking good. Alright, that should be good. Yeah, it's coming together. Man. Alright guys, we got that in. And so we got our column blocks there. We gotta put one more. And then column should be done, and then the wall's gonna go up first. Yeah, wall goes up first. And then pavers.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.
Alright guys, I am heading down to go see the guys this morning. It is August, what is this, 16th today? It is dark, clouds are rolling in, hopefully the rain stays away. We've been really busy doing landscaping. I've been getting a lot of quotes and bids out, and you know, we've got projects after projects. We want to go out this year just as hard as we can, because we got GIE coming up. We got a lot of things going on, and it is bad. Clouds are rolling in, but like I was saying, I'm head down there, take a look at this project quick, and then I mean, my brother and Michael, they're just killing it. My brother, I'm glad I hired him back, and the flow is just better, you know. It's just when you have people that know what they're doing and can flow together, it makes the job much easier. And so now, once I get down there, I'm going to take a look at the project and see if they need anything, and then I'm going to run back. I've got a proposal I got to finish up. I got to meet with the client at 7 p.m. tonight, and for another project. So yeah, all right, next time you'll see me is down there. That don't start?
No, we forgot to bring the charger.
Oh, what the heck? You guys got that. Oh yeah, that looks good. The storm is coming. What? Holy, just now? Jesus. Look at this, guys. You got that. Man, how do you get rid of... I went to pick up minnows last night. There's a bunch of dead minnows in front of the shop. So I parked my truck there. I had my AC on. Oh man, I can't get rid of that smell. It's like going through the AC, like it's stuck in my AC. The padak smell. The minnow, dead minnow. I left it running for like 20 minutes when I was out of the shop. Alright guys, it is starting to pour, rain. I think the boys are going to get rained out here. Yeah, I think we're going to have to call it, man. Alright, it is starting to rain. Michael's getting that on. That is nice. Really good there. Yeah, let's call it, dude. It's starting to come down, you guys. It's starting to rain. Woo! Man! Here's a tape measure, Michael. Stick it in there. You guys keep it. Alright guys, the homeowner getting her rock delivered, decorative rock. That's a nice rock.
Are those about the right size?
Yeah. Yeah, we can get our skin coming in.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young,
Alright guys, so what we got going on is there'll be a wall here, opening here, paver coming out, wall right there. We're killing it. I'm gonna head back into town. Said I'm head back into town. All changed, Michael?
What's that?
Get them all changed already?
Yeah.
Dude, you see what's going on out there?
Yes, the little girl.
Is she okay?
I don't know, she looked limp when they were taking her in.
Oh man. I thought somebody died, dude.
Yeah.